Ever found yourself staring at your Neon balance, needing that cash in hand, and wondering, okay, how exactly do I get this money out? You're not alone. Navigating the world of digital banking can sometimes feel a bit like trying to find your way through a maze. But don't worry, withdrawing your hard-earned funds from Neon is actually quite straightforward. Neon, for those who might be new to the scene, is a fantastic digital banking platform designed to make managing your money easier and more convenient. It offers a range of features, from seamless transfers to budgeting tools, all accessible right from your smartphone. But at some point, you'll likely need to access your funds in physical form, and that's where withdrawals come in. Now, Neon operates a bit differently than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They don't have a network of physical branches where you can simply walk in and request a withdrawal. Instead, Neon primarily leverages the power of card-based transactions and partnerships to give you access to your money. The most common and convenient way to withdraw money from your Neon account is by using your Neon card at an ATM. Just like any other debit card, your Neon card allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs that accept Visa or MasterCard, depending on the type of card you have. Simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and follow the on-screen prompts to select the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind that while Neon itself doesn't typically charge withdrawal fees at partner ATMs, some third-party ATM operators might impose their own fees, so it's always a good idea to check the screen before proceeding. Another avenue for accessing your Neon funds is through point-of-sale (POS) withdrawals at participating merchants. In many countries, when you make a purchase using your debit card, you have the option to withdraw a certain amount of cash along with your transaction. This can be a handy way to get some cash back without having to make a separate trip to an ATM. Just inform the cashier that you'd like to withdraw cash when you're paying for your items, and they'll guide you through the process. It's also worth noting that Neon facilitates easy transfers to other bank accounts. While this isn't a direct withdrawal in the traditional sense, it allows you to move your funds electronically to an account from which you can then make a standard withdrawal. This can be particularly useful if you need to access a larger sum of money or if you prefer to manage your withdrawals through a different bank. The transfer process is usually quick and can be initiated directly within the Neon app. Finally, always remember to keep your Neon card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. Regularly check your transaction history within the Neon app to monitor your withdrawals and ensure everything looks correct. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions about withdrawals, Neon's customer support is readily available to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.